Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Hope you are okay on that side of the screen. And yesterday I did share with you one of my favorite peripherals from this selection right over here from Asus ROG, which are just awesome. I will leave links down below for all of them. But yesterday we took a look at ROG Delta S Animate, which is this headset right over here, one of my favorites. So if you haven't checked the video, I will leave a link right over here just in case you want to check that out. If you are looking for Windows 10, Windows 11 Pro keys, or even Office 2021, don't forget to check out the link down below for cdkeysales.com, which is a platform that we have used and tested several times right over here on the channel. Easy to purchase, easy to activate, everything works smoothly. And today I'm going to share with you the other favorite one from this lot, which is this keyboard right over here. Take a look at it. It's just an awesome keyboard, looks awesome, and it has a little bit more features. It has a long name, ROG Strix Scope RX TKL Wireless Deluxe, so a really long name for such a compact design, which is one of the things that I really enjoy on this keyboard. And looking at the Flare 2 Animate, and talking about Animate, do you recognize this from the Animate on the Delta S? Really awesome. And it's a difficult choice, but there are two things that makes my choice go to this one right over here. One is the design and the compact, which is smaller than this one. The other one is the option to have it wireless or wired. So this one is only wired, and we know why, because of the technology behind it and so on and so forth. But if you guys follow the channel for quite some time, you know that on my main station at the back I always have keyboards that I can connect via Bluetooth to several devices. And guess what? This one right over here, it's capable of doing that. I can connect via Bluetooth to 3 devices simultaneously, which is awesome. But if I want to change and connect it via wireless 2.4 gigahertz, I can also do it and have a faster response time, or I can also connect it via cable, USB Type-C in this particular case, if that's your choice. So I do believe that in this particular feature, it is a lot more complete than this one right over here, which only has a cable connection. I am missing the Animate, but that's one of the choices to do. Now, the design has one advantage comparing with the Flare 2, which is it's smaller, so I will have more space for my movements in terms of the mouse, or if I want to put some other peripherals on my desk. In terms of the design and quality, this is, and I'm not encouraging anyone to be aggressive, but for those that usually take a loss the hard way, I think it is designed with that people in mind, and I hope it's not you right over there. If it is, don't forget to leave a comment down below trying to explain why you get mad at the keyboard. Every time that I see someone angry by losing a game, the keyboard is the first one to get punished. So I believe that the quality right over here, it is really solid, is to have that kind of gamer in mind. At the back we'll have this premium plastic right over here with reflection and the ROG logo, and then at the front we will see the aluminum finish. It is really comfortable to use, and I've been using this for almost a month or so, all of these peripherals, trying games and so on and so forth. And one of the things that it's hard to explain, but it works well, besides the comfort, which it is, it's the keys. It has a really nice travel. I'm sure that the Flare 2 has sound dampening to absorb the noise, as you can see, or as you can hear, and I'm touching something right over there. As you can hear, the noise is not as intense as some mechanical keyboards that we have seen in the past. So probably this one right over here also has those dampening sound foams, which I did not read on the specifications, so I'm not really sure about that. The Flare has, for sure. So this is one of the things, and the other one is that we have a precise movement. And if you have played some games, which I'm sure that you did, you will feel on some keyboards your finger moving to the right or to the left with a jiggling movement. In this particular case, you don't. It's really precise. It will go only on one direction. That happens on both of these. Besides that, it has this wrist pad, which is really comfortable, and what it will be able to do is that we will spend a lot of hours playing games without noticing, because our wrist is comfortable, our fingers are comfortable, and then we just don't see the time going by. To finish up, it also has the ability to be used on Armory Crate, which is a software that probably you already know. It has 11 different presets in terms of colors. At this moment, I'm using the Aura Sync, which is synchronized with my computer right over here, which is off angle, but everything is red, static red, using a Tough Gaming motherboard. And of course, all the other components are using the Aura Sync, which is something really awesome. Now, awesome is all of them, so it's a difficult choice, but these are my main reasons to choose this one right over here: compact and the connectivity. That being said, hope that the video was helpful in some way, and if it was, don't forget that usual thumbs up right over there, which is really appreciated on this side of the screen. My name is Roberto, and as always, I'll see you guys on the next one.